Niacinamide serum is a powerful ingredient that helps to hydrate the skin, reduce skin redness and inflammation, tighten pores, reduce dark spots and blemishes, shed skin from sun damage, even out skin tone, firm the skin, and retain moisturization of the skin. Hi, I'm Esther. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to formulate niacinamide serum that helps to target a whole lot of skin issues. And please, if this is your first time, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a video. In here is our distilled water, and we are using 72 grams of distilled water, and we're going to be adding chamomile hydrosol. And chamomile hydrosol is known for its soothing properties that help to calm the skin of irritation, that help to soothe. So we set this aside, and while we're going to measure out our niacinamide, and what the kind of niacinamide we are using here is niacinamide PC. Niacinamide PC is a deviation of niacinamide, but this one is more stable and more effective on the skin. So since we are making 10% niacinamide serum, so we'll be using 10 grams because we are making 100 grams formula. So we measure out, and we already measure out our Arbutin, our EDTA, and we added it to our water phase, which is the distilled water and the chamomile hydrosol, and we give it a good stir. We've already set that aside. So measuring this, we are going to bring in our solution, which is hydrosol, chamomile, EDTA, and Arbutin, and we add our niacinamide PC to this because niacinamide PC is a water soluble ingredient. So we add it and we give it a very good stir. Stir it very well. Don't feel that you stir it for long. This is the best time that you have to stir your product very well, because if you don't stir it very well, there are some particles that will be left there, and when you add the next ingredient, it might not really blend. So stir it, set it aside for a little while, and pick it up again. Stir it very well to make sure that there is no particles in this formula. We are also using hyaluronic acid, the high molecular hyaluronic acid. We are using 1%. Hyaluronic acid is soluble in vegetable glycerin, and we are adding 5% of vegetable glycerin, and we give it a very good stir. If you add your formula directly, to really take long for this to hydrate, but when you dissolve it with vegetable glycerin, it's going to really dissolve really fast. So transfer it into your other mix, give it a good stir, and set it aside. Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that helps to make the skin to be firm, up to diminish fine lines and wrinkles. I use hand mixer to mix this, or hand blender, because I don't want it to have this cloudy look. So I'm going to be patient to stir this until I make sure that all the hyaluronic acid is well hydrated. You can stir, you set it aside for some time, and you can take it again and stir it very well, that you will feel there is no longer lumpy stuff in your mix. Then from there you can then proceed to the other phase. The next phase is that we are going to be adding another lightening agent, which is alpha arbutin. And alpha arbutin is a good skin lightener, and when combined with niacinamide PC, it tends to work really good. We are using 2% of alpha arbutin because we want this to also serve as a lightening face serum. We measure out our alpha arbutin, we add it, and we stir very well. The next one is that we are going to be adding in our preservative, broad spectrum preservative, which is Jamal Plus. It's a very good preservative that helps with microbes and other bacterials to stay off from your products. And we add it into it, and we make sure we still give it a very good stir. We also have here our Polysquat 7. Polysquat 7 is a very good moisturizing agent that it helps to smoothen the skin, it helps to soften the skin, and it also helps the skin to retain its own moisture. So we are adding just 2% of Polysquat 7 to our mix. Niacinamide serum, it's a very good serum. So with all the goodness that is packed in this serum, I will encourage you to use it strictly at night because it's a treatment product. So I do recommend you should use your treatment products during the night, and in the morning always go out with your sunscreen. Using this product within a very short period of time, you will notice that a whole lot of things has changed. Like the dark spot will go off, the premature aging will be it will be smoothing, and you will have a very youthful skin. So now we want to make sure that our pH remain between 6 to 6.5, because niacinamide PC can actually survive with a pH of 6 to 6.5. So, and here we got it. We don't really need to adjust it. Our pH is just perfect. So if you produce this and your pH is not up to 6.6 or 6.5, you just have to increase it, and it's more than that, you have to decrease it. Thank you so much for staying till this time. I love you. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a video, and also YouTube will be able to suggest this video to more people that will have a lot of benefits from this video. So this is high-end formula, so we have to use amber jar to transfer it because its light does not really go with it, so it's sensitive to light. So you have to store your product in a cool, dark, dry place for the potency of the product to remain intact. That is the way you have to keep it. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a video. If you want to formulate this and you're having difficulties, you can always reach out to me and I will be there to guide you. Till we see again in my next video. Bye.